Hi, as our subject assignment for BMMF 2073 Project Management, our project is Android Player. My team members is Sophia Yong Kahyung binti Rashid Yong Abdullah, me Muhammad Afiq Daniel bin Amran, Muhammad Nazmi bin Nazir, and Adams Akmal bin Osman. Our project introduction is: as technology continues to develop day by day, most car users now need the high and latest technology to facilitate all matters and comfort while driving. And this is an Android-based infotainment system built into a vehicle. With Android Automotive Players, user install the app directly on the car instead of using their phones. The main purpose of this project is to fulfill the specification requirements and satisfy the customer, because there is a high demand for modifications to the Android players on the customer cars. The main function of this product is an online streaming video and audio player in one application in the system, and a multimedia player based on popular Android applications in the market today. Our target and the goal of this project is that Android Automotive Player will reach millions of users and hundreds of compatible cars and aftermarket stereo system, while our company aims to become a manufacturer and distributor of quality Android players nationwide at an affordable price by 2030.
Alright, my name is Sophia Yong Kahyun binti Rashid Yong Abdullah. I will continue with the topic of target project. This project is developed by several management department, which is administration, production, market, and sales department. This project will be carried out in yearly 2023 and be expected time of 28 days in a manufacturer. Our company has taken up this project to be offered by the client. Because of that, this paperwork is made to explain all the work process that will be implemented. In addition, also explain all the information in detail about the manufacturer of this Android player. Alright, I will continue with why we want to take this project, why we want to make this happen. Is it because we have identified and list complaints received from customers to enable us to research and discuss with company members to create a new product, which is Android player. Among the complaints list are: first one, Android player is not suitable for some types of car. Second, limited to a few specific applications only and a less than satisfactory display. And lastly, part of the Android player that are less durable and easily damaged. Okay, next, what is our action? After all the problems have been listed, we have a study to solve the problem. Our company needs to choose the right material for the part of the Android Automotive player, which is mold that will be used to make the frame parts. Therefore, the selection of this material is accurate to meet all the needs of customer to buy product that will be produced by our company. For this slide, we discuss about what the things we discuss for this project. First, plan and list the work step required to implement this project, which is objective project. And second, the division of work is given according to the respective part so that the product manufacturing process runs smoothly without a confusing. Okay, third, our company has also held discussion with stakeholders to obtain approval and capital to make this project a success. And lastly, the search for supplier of material needs to be done accurately and carefully so that the required material has the quality set by the company and supplier can provide the material on time.
Okay, what the result of discussion? Okay, first, our company used a compression molding process to make rubber and plastic part. And then second, compression molding offers several benefits over other molding process, including low tooling cost and fast lead times. Third, after all work process and product can be complete, we will do a quality check first before making the delivery to customer. And fourth, we will do marketing through various channels such as social media and so on. Okay, the project goal, become a manufacturer and distributor of quality Android player nationwide at affordable price by 2030. Second, market high value and affordable Android players. Third, design an Android player with world-class quality. And fourth, meet customer need and certification. Okay, the objective of the project. First, to design the casing for the Android player. Second, to build an Android player with a bird-eye view camera. Third, to carry out a survey of customer certification. Fourth, to rate customer certification. Okay, the works for this project is first market research, and then planning, design, equipment, material, assembly, molding, quality check, and delivery.
My name is Adam Akmal bin Osman. So for procurement details, the variance given shows that there are some changes on activities delivery date. So for equipment, the required date should be 7 January, but the delivery date still on the 7 January. For material, is required date is 12 January, but the delivery date is 15 January, and it caused a delay in 3 days. For molding, the required date should be on 14 January, but the delivery date is 12 January. It will be 2 days early. And for the assembly, the required date is 18 January, and the delivery date is still on 18 January. So for the bar chart, the red box means that the activity timeline, which means like activity AP1 should be start at 2 January and ends with 4 January. But the red line means the changes from the procurement that given. As you can see in the AP5, there's changes that for procurement that delay 3 days. The activity should be delivered 12 January, but due to procurement, it delivered in 15 January. For the activity AP6, there are changes from 13 to 14 January. For the activity, changes to 11 to 12 January. So a scheduling bar chart is a visual tool that used to represent and analyze progress of the project and any changes or delay that occur. According to the information provided, the project was running smoothly until a delay in availability material was encountered. The bar chart will likely show the original schedule for the project, which each task represented by a separate bar. The length of each bar will indicate the duration of the task, and the position of the bar will indicate the starting and ending of the task. So the delay in the availability of materials, it will be reflected in the bar chart by shifting the date of molding task. To mitigate the effect of the delay, the project team may have to find extra material to cover the gap. So the molding task will also need to be done in 2 days early, so that the assembly, quality check, and delivery can be done on time. This will be reflected in the chart as well. Overall, The rescheduling bar chart helps the project team quickly identify any delays or issues that may arise during the course of the project and make adjustments to the schedule as necessary to keep the project on track. That's all from me. Thank you.